on, guys? So today we are down at Waldoxie State Park in Holly Springs, Mississippi for a car show. So we're gonna be walking around, checking it out, seeing what all they got. Y'all follow along, comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. See ya. So far, there have been some pretty good, nice rides out here. The rain kind of held everybody off, but give y'all a view. Even got a slingshot out here. Nice Bronco. Anyway, we're going to see what else we can find. All right, be back shortly. V6. Classic Chevy. Oh shit, here we go. That is nice. My favorite car. Hey y'all. Damn. K5. I'm gonna be doing an LS swap on one of these. That was all with it. Well, that is the car show. The rain kind of kept everybody away. We'll spin you around, let you see what else we got. Nice 60 olds. Some nice cars. The best one I think was that red Z28. Y'all comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. We'll catch y'all on the flip side. Remember, just do it. Worry about it later. Catch y'all later, guys.